I discovered, unfortunately, that my roof was leaking. My entire roof was at the end of its lifespan. There was no repair or patch. So I asked Guardian Roofing to come out and give me a full survey of my entire roof. They did that survey, and after they had looked in the attic and they had climbed around on top, they indicated that I was also going to need to have a bunch of plywood replaced as well. So this was going to be a significant repair to my roof. Significant water intrusion. I also had mold that had to be remediated and so all my insulation replaced. But the roof was the key thing. And they came out, their team was very polite, very respectful of the property. They made sure to clean up every evening and put all the stuff in the dumpster. There wasn't shingles or wrappings or things lying around. They brought their own sandy can, so they didn't need to come into the house. And this crew, they worked so diligently. They worked really hard. The work was really well done. The roof looks absolutely fantastic. We are very happy with how it looks. We ended up having new gutters installed by Guardian as well. So that complemented the new roof very nicely. But really, we're very, very happy. They put in a ridge vent to make sure that my attic is ventilated so I don't have a mold issue again. Myself and my spouse, we would highly recommend Guardian to any of our family and friends or anyone who's looking to have a roof replacement or repair.